Life with Ray-Ban Meta. This has changed the game completely. You're hands-free. What you need to capture is right in front of you. You don't have to take out a camera. You don't have to take out a phone. You just have to press a button to click a picture and hold the button to start the video. It'll record for a minute and stop automatically. That goes up to 3 minutes in the new update now. The new Meta Ray-Ban glasses have released, which makes this like a recap of how I have been using my Ray-Ban Meta all these years. And it's just been a fantastic time with them. When I am skydiving out of a plane, when I am riding a scooter, when I'm just walking around, when I'm driving a car, the shots I get are so unreal because it's just exactly what your eye sees. In the newer model that is released today, what I read online on the Meta page, it's for $799 and I hope it comes for the same price in India. And it has a screen inside the glasses. I mean, you get a band and you can control the gestures, control multiple things on the device, and it's super intuitive from the videos what I've seen, and I'm really waiting for that one. This itself with just camera, the AI technology, and to be able to take calls so hands-free.
Hey Meta, take a picture. You see that?
And for this also being transition glasses, so it blocks the sun rays when they're very harsh and it'll become a darker shade. So all in all, I mean, Ray-Ban in itself is a very expensive company, and those glasses come for a very hefty price. With all the tech that is powered in such a small piece, it really feels like value for money. These ones I had bought for 35,000 rupees, and I have taken them to every trip of mine, and these glasses are giving me shots like no other camera could ever. The aspect ratio is something that we should talk about. It's 3:4, I think. Yeah, and this, I mean, helps you go into a horizontal format as well, but it does blur out the image quite a lot. So I choose to use it for a vertical video much more, and it also records 1080p. It does not have the high resolution, but it does the job pretty well. The colors are very vibrant, and I love the look what the Ray-Ban Meta gives to all the pictures and videos that you take from it. I think times are going to change ahead with this kind of tech. Apple had come up with the Vision Pro, but that was too bulky, heavy. These sit on your eyes like normal pair of sunglasses,